What's up, guys? It's your boy E back again with another video, and today I have an oldie but a goodie, and we're going to be reviewing a chain that I actually wear all the time and people ask me about a lot. But before we get into it, Bob, do your thing. Do your job, bro. Alright guys, so we're back in, and today I have a review of the 15mm Rodium-Plated silver chain from Miami Links. Now I don't have the box, I don't have any unboxing for you guys today because like I said, I got this chain over a year ago.
Oh brother, this guy stinks!
The good news is that I have 4 chains on order from Miami Links, all brand new, all current styles, rose gold, yellow gold, silver, rhodium plated. So I'm going to have a full rundown to show you guys soon. But because so many people ask me about this chain and what it is and all that kind of stuff, I figured that I would review it. So here it is, guys. This is my 15mm rhodium-plated silver Miami Cuban, and this thing is just a beast, and I've been wearing this for a year, like I said, and I cannot tell you the amount of compliments that I've gotten on it. The other cool thing is that I have never once polished this chain. The way you're seeing it right now is the way that I wear it every single day, and the reason that it has not tarnished is because it has that rhodium plating on there. And that's something that I like to say to you guys often, because there's a lot of people out there that love silver, but you know, you don't want to put up with it. It can be a pain in the ass. It gets tarnished, then you have to polish it, and a lot of people get lazy around their jewelry. I'll admit it, I'm kind of one of those people. So when I buy silver, a lot of times I get it rhodium plated, with the exception of a company like Luke Zion, because that silver, like I've mentioned in my other videos, is some of the shiniest silver that I've ever seen, and it holds up extremely well. And when you do need to polish a Luke Zion chain, for me at least, if I throw that under some warm soapy water for about 30 seconds to a minute and then dry it off, it's looking brand new. But this chain is absolutely beautiful. It's also a beast. I love this thing. The links are super tight. People ask me all the time if this thing is handmade. The clasp is held up over time. No wiggle room. It doesn't come apart or anything, which can happen a lot of times with chains over time, especially these butterflies over here. They tend to loosen up, and you usually have to take a pair of pliers and maybe clamp them down a bit, but this chain has held up very nicely over time. Let me actually put on my fancy pants gloves for you guys because I want to give you a little bit of a better look at this thing. Take a look at this. Here is the clasp over here. We have a 925 Italy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we have a 925 Italy right there. And then let me just run this chain over for you so you guys can see the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I love reviewing things that I've had for a long time because it shows you that they stand to the test of time, and this chain truly has stood up to the test of time. So let's actually weigh it, because this thing is a behemoth. I don't even remember how much it weighs, but let's get the scales of truth out for you guys. Here we go, and let's see how much this thing weighs. This is a 26-inch chain, by the way, guys. So we are at 316 grams, a little bit north of 316 grams, which is a lot of silver. Definitely a presence on the neck for sure. And this is shorter than a lot of the chains that I have, guys, but honestly, I really am starting to enjoy the 26s again. I don't think I'll ever be a guy that rocks a 24, but with that being said, let me get this thing on neck, and we'll take a short commercial break for absolutely no commercial, because I don't have a commercial to show you guys. I messed up, guys. I messed up. I forgot to measure it. I always forget to measure. That's what she said. Maybe that's what she didn't say. Maybe she should say that. Let's get a measurement on here. So we got 14.81 over here. Let's get another one over here. We got 14.82. So pretty much 15, just a hair under. And now we can rewind it to where I was before. And now we'll take our commercial break where I actually have no commercial, and we'll show you the chain on neck. All right, guys, so here it is. This is quite a bit of neck presence. It's definitely a heavy chain. You definitely feel it on neck, but I personally think it looks absolutely beautiful. Like I mentioned earlier, I've had this chain for a while. I've probably worn this chain over 100 times. Really, really nice. It lays flat. It never, ever kinks up on me. And, you know, it shows me that with a company like Miami Links, they sell really quality pieces. The owner of Miami Links, Dan, he's a veteran. He does really, really, really good by his customers. I've purchased a few things from them back in the day, and he was always right on top of everything. The shipping was amazing. The customer service was amazing, and he always has a nice discount running. So Miami Links is definitely a company that I would recommend shopping from. Not a ton of people have heard about them. He's been around for 2 years now, but definitely go check it out when you get a chance. He sells a lot of rhodium plated silver like this, gold over silver. I think he sells some moissanite and he sells some solid gold as well. Definitely a company that I would get behind and that I stand behind. So now, guys, nothing left to do but rate it, and on a scale of nope to dope, I'm gonna give this chain an 8.6, guys. This is definitely a cop. I mean, listen, you might not want a 15mm. I get it, it's a big chain, but he has every size. I mean, I think he has them down to 5mm, so I could be off on that, but I know he has them much smaller. Definitely a good quality of chain, and definitely something that I would recommend. So like always, guys, make sure you like the video, make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Let me know what you think about this chain. Let me know if you guys have had any experiences with Miami Links and what you think about that company. And with that, this is your boy Big E. This has been the review of the 15mm Rodium-Plated Silver Cuban Chain, and I am out. Peace.